What's up? Ryan Kohler here. You might know me as the founder of Applicant Pro. I stepped down about a year ago and I'm now on to a new cool thing. It's called Talent Alchemy. It's a blog and a newsletter all about teaching and helping not just HR professionals, but literally anybody in the organization that deals with talent, whether it's talent attraction, whether it's onboarding and activation, whether it's amplifying, whether it's getting your talent aligned and pulling in the same direction on the same mission, whether it's has to do with the technology you use or the content you have to create or anything like that. That's what we're all about. Really, I boiled down the last 20 years of my life in the HR space into what I love the most, which is taking a problem and solving it in a unique way by pairing up a best practice from a different industry, a different profession, a different part of the world, whether that's manufacturing, whether that's agile for product management, whether it's marketing or sales or customer success, and pairing it up with an HR problem by simply changing who the customer is, viewing the job seeker as our prospect, viewing the employee as our customer, viewing our job or the opportunity of working for us as a product that we need to build, develop, differentiate, create amazing value there to really create a reason that employees would be attracted to us and stick around. And Talent Alchemy is all about taking those and coming up with creative solutions to some of the problems you're facing. Look, over the next 5 years, we're going to see a massive change in how we work, how we do things, not just in HR, but throughout your entire organization. ChatGPT and AI are here to stay. While we might still be in the top of the hype cycle where we're trying to figure out how it works and a lot of promises may not be delivered in the same way you think it will, trust me, in 5 years, AI will be making a major impact on the way you go about doing your job and, more importantly, managing your teams and helping them do their jobs. And I've spent the last 10 months, about 40 hours a week in ChatGPT, just figuring out how I would use it as an HR person, as a CEO, as a founder, as a marketer, as a salesperson, as a customer support person, you name it, I've gone through as a job seeker. How would I use it to write my resume? How would I use it to apply to jobs? Trying on the different hats throughout the organization to figure out exactly how we can go about implementing, how we can go about using it in safe and low risk ways, yet still make a massive impact on our ability to do our jobs in less time for less money with not just better efficiency, but better effectiveness. And the final one, better engagement, being more creative with the content that we create, whether it's job ads, whether it's training manuals, whether it's policies, whether it's culture emails or team projects, you name it. ChatGPT just opens up the world to creativity and puts it in the hands as a magic wand for the average person, for the average, maybe non-creative. And so Talent Alchemy is a newsletter and a blog all about helping you figure out how to use it at work without making a bunch of mistakes and taking a bunch of risks of just guessing and trial and error. So I would love for you to follow along with this. Follow me on LinkedIn, sign up for our newsletter, check out our blog. Otherwise, we'll talk to you soon.